Hey, this is Eddie, Multi-Man Services. We're just doing an estimate here for some gutter cleaning and at this building here in South Beloit. It looks like it's a metal roof, so it does make our job very challenging, very um, difficult to do gutter cleaning on a building like this. But did notice that in the back of the building there was a lot of limbs on the building, so those would need to be trimmed back before we do the cleaning. We can do that service while we're here. That's no problem. But I think one of the reasons why I may be here is because of this gutter here, and when it rains, probably because something to do with ice damming. So a lot of damage here to this gutter here, and lots of overspill. We'll get all the debris out of the building on the perimeter, get that cleaned up really well. Once we get the debris out, we'll probably put it in a tarp and drag it out into the woods. A lot of trees growing out of some of the gutters. And then we're gonna flush out all the gutters really well, power flush all the downspouts, and make sure that the whole system is good to go. So that's how we would approach it. My name is Eddie. I'm the guy that's probably gonna be doing the work too. So any questions you have about our service, don't hesitate to call me on my cell, 815-520-6020. Look forward to working with you. Thank you.